everybody, it's Skillbyte here, and in this video I'm going to do a review on my new license plate frame. So after looking at my options on Amazon, I ended up going with the Rightcar Solutions silicone license plate. Link is in the description. Key requirements for me included: it's a black license plate. It is silicone. So one nice thing about silicone is it shouldn't scratch the paint and it won't vibrate like a metal one might. This one also has the raised area around where the screws go and one in the middle. So to install the license plate frame, to get your license plate in it, you start at the end. Make sure that the drain holes are on the bottom of the license plate. Start at the end, get them in the corners. Then the bottom, just slide it over a little. Get that bottom in, and I suggest having the corner in there. Now you're going to go to the top. Start working it at the top. Don't cut yourself on the license plate. You can kind of use that edge to kind of pull it up. There you go, it's on. All right, so what's the verdict on this silicone license plate frame? Well, I think it looks pretty good. It has the small form factor. It's really tight to the license plate, which is good. It's got the drain holes on the bottom. The silicone on the back is in the right places. I have put 4 license plates now in it, total of. So it is held up with that. There's no stretch marks, no discoloring around it. So as far as the my initial thoughts on it, I think it's pretty good. I do recommend it. Now, if that changes, if over time it just doesn't last, I'll add in the comments or the description any sort of negatives that come up about it. But right now, I'm not expecting any. So I hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.